How you all doing, people? Today I'm doing a video about WD-40, how to use up all the remaining oil that's in it when the air pressure is spent out. As you can see here, there's no air pressure to blow to pump the oil out. But you can hear that you can hear that there's still a lot of oil in it. So what you need to do is to pop the cap off to expose that little tube, turn this can upside down, and press that tube against the spot where you want the oil to flow out, and it will flow out just like so. So this is the easiest way to use up all the oil that's in it. I've seen other people just throw it away. Some folks try to pierce a hole on the can, which it's also dangerous because there might be a little bit of pressure in it, and so this is the easiest way and the safest way. Not only are you able to help the environment by minimizing wastage, you're also saving a lot of money. So thank you very much, folks, for watching. If you like my video, please press like and post your comment down below, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.